Hello students, today you are going to revise first chapter. First chapter, what is a resource? Everything available in our environment which can be used to satisfy our needs, which are technologically accessible, economically feasible and culturally acceptable is called a resource. You can, with the help of this flow chart, resource and development, first definition is given, then types of resources on different bases, stages of resource planning and need for resource conservation, then methods of conservation. So first, after definition, I'm going to let you know about classification or types of resources. It is classified on the basis of origin, biotic and abiotic, on the basis of exhaustibility, renewable and non-renewable, on the basis of ownership, maybe individual, community, national or international, on the basis of status of development, potential or actual. Then stages of resource planning, identification of inventory of resource by surveying and mapping. First, it has to be recognized where the resource deposits are found and how much, what is the quantity. After that, evolving a planning structure with technology, skill and institutional setup, and then matching resource plans with national development plans. And next is need for resource conservation. We all are aware it is needed for future generation to ensure sustainable development, to avoid overutilization, to avoid pollution, to maintain ecological balance. We need to maintain our ecosystem, so that we need to conserve resources. And now last one is methods of conservation. There are many methods. First one, we can reduce the overuse of resources. At home also we can try to reduce overuse. If it is done knowingly or unknowingly, then we need to check it about our whatever the water which is used by us, the electricity which is used at home or in the school. You need to keep an eye and you need to take care. Use of more renewable resources, then recycle of the resources if possible. Also try to recycle if it is possible. Use of cheap and harmless substitutes, and then a strict legislation, some rules. If someone is not following, after saying also someone is wasting, then a strict legislative should be there. And create public awareness you can create, you can spread. Persons who are not aware, you can tell them what harms it may create if we are not going to bother about it. So we need to bother, we need to be aware. So this is all about resource and development. All right, thank you very much.